Storm Tracker 7 weather is presented by Panhandle Cleaning and Restoration.
Happy Monday to you. Storm Tracker 7 Chief Meteorologist Jeff Booth here. It's chilly out there. We had a cold day today. Temperatures sitting at the lows right now for the day. We're actually going to probably hit our lows. Actually, we will be hitting our lows as we head through the coming hours. But 20 right now in Wheeling, 18 in Steubenville. We're in the upper teens, so right around 20 across the area. So it is cold, and we still have winds that are kind of strong. They've died off in Cambridge, but anywhere from about 7 to 15 miles an hour elsewhere. So our wind chill factors are basically in the single digits. It feels like it's 6 in Wheeling, 5 in Steubenville, 0 in Cadiz and Chester. So yeah, cold out there. Winds are not helping. And the forecast wind chill values by tomorrow morning, we're going to be anywhere from around here in town about 0 to 5 below for our wind chill factor. Going to be around 6 below, feeling like that for our wind chill in Steubenville. You can see some spots getting down to almost 10 below for that real feel temperature tomorrow morning. So dangerously cold out there. Make sure you're putting on the layers as you get out there early tomorrow. Here's a look at your satellite and your radar imagery for the area. You can see that a couple of clouds have started to sneak in, but all in all, not bad. It was actually kind of nice today to see the sunshine. Needed the sunglasses as I was driving down I-70. I will say it was cold, but typically when you have really cold temperatures, you're usually getting an area of high pressure moving in off the Canadian plains, so an Arctic air mass usually on the way, and that's exactly what we had out there today. Widening out and showing you what's happening on the bigger picture, we got a couple of clouds that are out to the west and southwest of us. These are going to slide in. Generally, though, we're talking about clear to partly cloudy skies out there as we head on into the overnight hours. And again, the big story, very, very cold. We are already watching our next system. Moving on to the west coast as we speak. Looks like it's going to be getting here by the middle of the week. It's going to be moving into the area. Wednesday, we're going to see some accumulating snow in the south especially, and then Thursday, a little more accumulating snow. That's actually going to be on the back edge of that system as the winds drag in some moisture off the Great Lakes and bring us a little more snowfall. Snow to the south mainly on Wednesday. We'll get a light dusting possible up here, but a little more measurable snow in the south. More of us will see it on Thursday, again on the back edge of that system as we drag in that colder air. And we also get that reinforcing shot of cold air, so we keep bitterly cold temperatures around all week long as that next system departs. So here's kind of what we're thinking snow-wise. Again, a lot of us are dusting to ½ inch or so. You can see in the south, though, 1 to 2, maybe even 3 inches in the far south. This is for Wednesday. And then again, we could pick up an additional inch to maybe 2 inches on the back edge of this as this moisture kind of comes in, get some snow bursts with that coming in as we head through your Thursday. Storm Tracker 7 predictor, though, tracking mainly clear to partly cloudy skies out there through the evening hours. Here's 7 a.m. You can see we're starting off with some sunshine. Cold, though. Single digits. Wind chill values, though, below 0. So, again, bundle up. Get the kids. I know it's going to be a struggle. Always is. Make sure they have their gloves, their hats, and they're wearing them, layering up. And then you can see as we get into the afternoon time frame, we start to see a few more clouds build. This is out ahead of that system that'll bring us a chance for some light snow, especially in the south on Wednesday. For all of us, though, by Thursday. So we're hitting a high of 22 tomorrow after starting out at 9 with sub-zero wind chill values. Some spotty snow to the south. Could be picking up some light accumulations out in the far south. 24, though, on Wednesday. Breezy on Thursday with all of us picking up the chance for some snow. 23. 30 by Friday. We're in the really mid to upper 30s to low 40s as we get on into the weekend and through it. And then 45 early next week, which is close to where we should be with a wintry mix.